Alright, good morning, you guys. I am currently at Target for my second pickup that I posted on my community tab. My glasses are dirty, and don't worry, probably not this week, but next week I am going to go get everything that I need to get situated with my glasses and all kind of things like that. So right now I'm about to pick up my groceries. Then we're going to go to therapy, and then I'll come back and I'll haul my groceries. And this will probably be the start of the prep for my Thanksgiving meal deal thing. Y'all, I totally forgot that I was supposed to be filming, and I had started breaking stuff down because I got a big refrigerator. I don't got that big body Ben's fridge, so I had to break some of my stuff down to make room. So I took my greens off of the stem. So what I'm going to do next is cut up my Trinity and things like that and put it in this glass bowl, and then put it in my fridge so I can maximize my fridge space. I'll go over the haul. I have pictures, so I'll probably insert them because I totally forgot about that too. But right now, let's go ahead and cut up. Ew. You see that? I'm gonna cut around it because I need it, and I've been to the store already, and I'm not going to another store. It's not spoiled, like rotten, where it has that little fuzzy little mold stuff on it, but I don't know why it's wet. Yeah, I'm gonna eat that part. Not eat it, but I'm gonna cut that part up. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna put it in fast mode, and I'm gonna play some music, and I'll come back to you. Like a glance from the past, you can see the dark through the frame. You're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you the prince, and I'm all right, so I cut up my collard greens. These are not cleaned. I'll clean these when I'm ready to cook them. I cut up all my bell peppers and onions, and I'll put this in the fridge. I know you're probably thinking, girl, why you don't already have that? I have items, but I don't want to deplete my stash just for, girl, I thought that was a spider or something. Just for the purpose of Thanksgiving. I still want to be able to have groceries after I'm done. So that's why I bought new items. I keep frozen bell peppers, onions, and things like that. So yeah, I'm done with this. I'm about to put this in the fridge. I'm debating if I want to cut up cheese right now. I'm probably not. Yes, I'm probably not going to cut up cheese because I don't think I have anywhere for it to go. And then I'm going to cut up some of this celery. I don't need a lot. I'm going to put it on the side because I don't want it in my Trinity. I really just want my celery in my my dressing. So yeah, but I have cleaned up my mess. I'm gonna show you all the groceries that I have as a whole. I know I created a short, so I'm going to put it in this video too. Some stuff are put away, or some stuff is put away, however you want to say it. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what we got. So for all my dry ingredients, and wet as well, but that's canned, I got some reduced sodium chicken stock. And then I have the Good and Gather brand. I love this brand, but I didn't want to use all of my brand on it. And I remember last time I made my dressing, it wasn't wet enough to my liking, but it was still good. I get the elbow mac and cheese from Target. This box is 99 cents. I know people think Target is expensive, and some things are pricey, but some things aren't. I got the carnations. I got the regular milk. That's not reduced from Walmart, and I got the reduced 2% milk from Target. I got some more sugar. We have sugar in the cabinet, but like I said, I don't want to deplete my stash, so I'm going to use the sugar in the cabinet, but I'm also going to refill it. Let me show you what it looks like. It looks like this. So when I bust that one open, I can just pour in here and just continue to reuse this lid. Now, I did not have any brown sugar, so I got some light brown sugar and dark brown sugar. I'm going to use this in my sweet potato pies. I never made a sweet potato pie in my life, but I watched so many videos, so I think I got it. Some pure vanilla extract. I got 2 of the injectable butter. They were $2.99 at my Winn-Dixie. I got 2 cans of the cranberry And then I have some pumpkin pie spice, some nutmeg, some sage for my stuffing. I couldn't find the green laden one, so I had to get the red one. Old Bay. I'm debating if I'm gonna make cornbread and then make my stuffing, or if I'm gonna stick to my Holy Trinity or my Holy Grail. I'm thinking about them onions. I like to do what's quick and easy, and I never had a problem with this. I can doctor this up so well and it tastes so good. So I got 2 herb and seasoning, and I got the cornbread one. I don't like the cube stuffing. I like I like it when it's broken up like that. I got me 2 bags of sweet potatoes. One I'm going to do for my pumpkin sweet potato pies, and then one I'm going to do for my yams. So these are all my wet and dry ingredients. And then also, this is Trader Joe's. I got some butter cookies, and then I also needed a pot. This pot cost me $17. I needed a roaster because I did a Walmart pickup and I chose a turkey that was between 12 and 14 pounds, and they sent me like a damn near 30-pound turkey. I don't want that. I did get my money back, and of course, because it's food, I didn't have to return it. So I'm gonna send half of that bird away because I don't want that. All right, so I got my smoked turkey wings. I have my ham hocks. I'm gonna use ham hocks in my greens this year. Don't mind my regular groceries. And I got 2 pork chitlins. If you don't eat it, it's fine. Me and my mama, I can eat a bag, she can eat a bag. That's that. And I got my crawfish tails. I know some people call it Chinese crawfish tails, whatever. You eat Chinese food, so I don't understand what's the problem. The New Orleans one is like $12. This one's like $7, $8. So I got this. Today is only Monday, so a lot of stuff is still frozen. And I got my what is this? My shrimp. Moving on to my overcrowded fridge. I did what I had to do, you guys. I got my mini pies. I don't know if I'm gonna do my whole pies with milk and then one with evaporated milk. I don't know yet. I got me a bigger ham because they gave me a big turkey but a little ham, but I got a salted caramel ham. I got that. You see that big old dumbass turkey? Excuse my French, I probably bleeped that out. But this is what they gave me for my little ham. Child will eat all that up. I got me some crab meat for my my dressing, and I got 2 deep dish pies as well. Got me some whipping cream, and I think that's all that I have that's related to Thanksgiving. My refrigerator, I told you it was crowded, it's overstuffed. I'm actually about to reorganize some things so I can get the greens in here and also get the Holy Trinity in here somewhere. So I'm going to figure out what I'm going to do. All right, and then in the last drawer, I just have all my cheese for my mac. I'm going to grate some cheese, and then I'm also going to use bag cheese just as a filler. I got some Amish butter. This is the butter that I love to use when I'm doing like the whole nitty gritty. This butter costs like between $10 and $13, but it's really good. So we got the pepper jack cheese, the medium cheddar, the extra sharp white cheddar, the mild cheddar. Can't go wrong with Cracker Barrel, but it's expensive, so I only got one. I got the extra sharp yellow. I got some Monterey Jack, and then I also got some cheddar cheese with smoky notes. So I'm gonna see how I want to incorporate that. I'm gonna taste it first to see how smoky it is, because I got Mexican, some more sharp white, some 18-month aged cheddar, and then these little cubes. I like when you pull into your mac and it got like little chunks and stuff pulled out.
secret safe, so you're my favorite mistake. That's why we gotta keep it on the low. Got a hunger she don't need to know. What's going on, it won't be on for long. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grows strong. You leave it alone, but you're still getting close. We both know it's wrong, can't keep this for long. All it's going on, put it in a song. Tell me why you're crying, how can it be, girl? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground in the dark, now you come into my heart uninvited. When you see me on the edge, I'm not. If the world was dead, would you cry or would you try to get? Tell me now, I want you to be clear. Tell me now, I need you to be clear. Yeah. I won't wait for you, for you. I won't wait for you. I won't wait for you. I won't wait for you, for you. I won't wait for you. I won't wait for you. Yeah, baby. Can you put the time on a rewind? Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that we're fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as the rebel comes out. There you go, call on me. When you call me, I come. But then you go again. With your deaf ears, open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from the life of the hopeless? Now yeah, you want, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying till morning. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the suffering I'm gone, yeah. Running away from the darkness I'm out, yeah, yeah. I had done all the limits, going way beyond the noise in your feelings. When you speak, all I can hear is silence. Running back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes I'm kidding. Crying out from the side, now come on in. Fall down when you see me, you know that I was there for you. I won't wait for you, for you. I won't wait for you. I won't wait for you. I won't wait for you, for you. I won't wait for you. I won't wait for you.